Here we have a 2018 67 plate BMW 530e M Sport, finished in a dark graphite metallic exterior paintwork. We've got four 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent unmarked, unscratched condition, as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. As we come round to the front, you'll notice that the vehicle does come with a full M Performance styling kit, which includes side skirts, front splitter and some more bits at the rear. Coming around, we've got our black kidney grills. We've got these fantastic lights as well. How good do they look from the front there. We've got our second 19-inch alloy wheel. Again, excellent unmarked, unscratched condition. We've got our charging port just here, as this is a hybrid vehicle, so you will have ultra low running costs when driving this about. We've got some M badging, black side skirt at the bottom there. We've got our colour-coded wing mirror with the colour-coded door handles with the chrome accents. Privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows. We've then got our shark fin antenna on top. We've got some eDrive badging, and there's a look at our third alloy wheel. As we come to the rear, we've got our spoiler lip just there. We've then got our black rear diffuser, front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. And if we open up the boot here, we've got a great amount of space in here as well. So the vehicle will come with the charging cables as well. Close that down. Now, as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now, if we go onto the interior, we have got a full black Napa leather interior with this fantastic stitching. You can see just there. We've got the ISO fixed points within these seats, and these are incredibly comfortable seats as well, I might add. In the middle here, we've got our vents. We've then got some storage and two 12-volt connectivity points. We've got the storage behind the front passengers. On the door, we've got this gloss black trim, plenty of leather that gives it a really luxurious feel. Electronic windows with the additional storage down below. Coming into the front, we've got that same full black Napa leather interior. Again, incredibly comfortable seats with this beautiful stitching throughout as well, and these seats are quite something as well. We've got the massage functions just there. They're also electrically adjustable, as you can see there. We've got our lock and unlock button, electric wing mirrors with electric windows, child lock for the rear windows. We've got a boot release and petrol cap release just there as well. Auto lights too. Now I'll step inside, turn the vehicle on. There we go. As you can see, we have got a digital display just here. We've covered, we'll just wait for our mileage to come up. There you go. As you can see, we have covered just over 59,300 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard there as well. Now, we've then got our multifunctional steering wheel, different controls whilst we're on the go, like cruise control, speed limiter, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears, auto wipers on our right there. We've then got our start-stop button. We've got our infotainment screen just here. So we've got things like navigation, different forms of media connectivity. So on here you'll find things like DAB, FM radio, we've got online entertainment, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. Plenty of ways to connect your devices or to listen to music. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. And then if we come into the settings here, we've got a few nice features as well. Vehicle settings, lights. Do actually have ambient lighting in this car with a great array of colours there to pick from as well. Now coming back, we've then got our intelligent safety, which you can see just there. It's currently all on. Put the vehicle into reverse. You'll see we've got a visual display of front and rear sensors. We've then got different driving modes as well. We've got things like, hang on, if I just go back onto map there. We've got things like Eco Pro, Comfort, and Sport as well. And a nice feature with these vehicles, the actual display here will change depending on which mode we're in. So there was Sport, this is Comfort, and we've then got Eco Pro as well. Really nice feature that this changes with that. Coming into the middle, we've got our intelligent safety and hazard lights. We've then got stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've then got our dual zone climate controls just here, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently with ice cold air conditioning. Heated seats for both front passengers there as well. Just turn that down there. We've then got this lovely gloss black trim throughout. Behind here we've got some USB, we've got a USB port, we've got some additional storage, 2 good sized cup holders and another 12-volt connection point. We've then got our control wheel and shortcuts with touchpad for the infotainment screen. Gear stick just here. If you're not familiar with these, we actually have park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then if we flick it across to the left, we're now into sport mode, and we can actually change our gears manually like so. So it's nice to have the option to use a gear stick or the paddle shifters, whichever you're more comfortable with, or you can just have it in automatic, whichever you prefer. Traction control just there. We've got our mode select, sport, comfort and eco pro. Got our e-drive button as well as a button for our parking sensors. Then got our electronic handbrake with auto hold as well. Last but not least, we've also got our soft touch leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage. As you can see in there, we've got another 12-volt connection point just there too. Well, closing that up, the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. The purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with a steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. I'll also talk through some of the vehicle's functions and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off, we've got our paddle shifters, so I'll demonstrate some gear changes. We're currently in 7th gear, down into 6th, down into 5th, back up to 6th, back up to 7th, and now into 8th gear. And as you can tell from my body movements and the surroundings outside, completely seamless transitions, no jerky movements, no awkward sounds, no knocks, no bangs, working exactly how they should. We've then got cruise control, which I activate by pressing cruise and then flicking the trigger up, and we're now cruising at 56 miles an hour. To deactivate this, I'll simply press cancel or put my foot on the brake and we're back to normal control. I'm just going to slow down for this roundabout here while we're taking a left turn as if you were here with us today. This vehicle is packed full of useful goodies. We've got heated and massaging seats, as well as an electrically adjustable steering wheel, digital display on the dashboard. We've got the Pro Nav, multiple forms of connectivity for the infotainment system as well. Really high-tech vehicle, and of course it is a hybrid, so you will get low running costs when driving this about as well. Now, at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. We have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly now to make them contactless, and what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself. Basically just to ensure both your own safety and ours. We are a 5-star dealership as well at RS Car Sales. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would come back to us in the future or recommend us to your friends and to your family. Now, I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also show you that the reverse works as it should. And now you can also find us on social media. We're on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to keep up to date with us there for all the stock we get in and what we get up to. Now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, very sharp brakes. Got me by surprise a bit there. Put it into reverse, we've got our visual display of both front and rear sensors, and obviously reverse works exactly how it should as well. Now, this is where you'd usually be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, do get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle. And if there is anything we've missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this test drive, then do get in touch. One of the team would be more than happy to walk around the car with you on FaceTime, answer any specific questions, show you any specific components, and really just show you what the car has to offer. But until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.